So sometimes I have small parts I need to ship, like this little M.2 drive retention clip for a Lenovo M710Q Tiny. And I kind of have a different way of packaging these things. Some people, like lazy sellers, might just take this part, throw it in the bubble envelope and call it a day. But that kind of makes a bad experience for the buyer if they accidentally can't find it or lose it. So what I like to do is, with small parts, I'll take a half sheet of paper. I get these as scraps from printing shipping labels. I'll fold it into thirds, and then what I'll do is, you'll notice the two sides that I have here that I folded over. I will fold it the opposite direction now. So I'm going to fold this end. And now I basically have a little pouch. And I'll take the part and I'll throw it in the pouch. And I'll fold the other end over. I probably should have folded this end a little further over, to be honest. But got enough where it's overlapped. And then I'll just tape that shut. And this is a better alternative than using plastic baggies, especially if you have scrap pieces of paper. And because I'm paranoid, you could throw that in the bubble envelope as is, probably fine. But I have some bubble wrap I'm recycling. Used to be a bubble envelope. And I will just take that, wrap it up again, and then throw a little bit of piece of tape over that as well. Now it's good to go. If you want, you can tape over the edges. I don't always do it, but yeah, good to go there. And it's well protected, and when the customer opens up the package, it'll be easy to find. So yeah, hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.